In this video, I want to show you how to use both scanners, the scanner glass and the top document feeder of your Brother MFC-J1365DW. I want to show you how to scan and get the results on your iPhone or Android phone. This way you can share them and do whatever you want with them. First step is to connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. And then I'll show you how to use the app to scan. You're going to press the settings button on the top left corner. Use the down arrow until you have highlighted network. Press OK. Select the first option, WLAN Wi-Fi, by pressing OK. And then press OK once again. Press the right side arrow. And the printer is now searching for every networks that are around it. This is the list of the networks, and by using the up and down arrow, you can highlight your Wi-Fi network. Press OK. And now it's time to type the password. By using the digital keyboard and pressing these arrows, you'll be able to type your password. If your password has capital letters, just go over there, press OK. And it switched to capital letters. If your password has numbers, you just go over here, click, and you have a number pad. So go ahead and type. Go and select OK and press the OK button. The printer is now currently connecting to the Wi-Fi network, and you're going to get a confirmation message in around 10 seconds. Here you go, connected. Then you're going to take your iPhone, go in the App Store and search for the Brother Mobile Connect app. Download it and open it. This is the main page of the application. Press the top right corner to add a new printer. Add machine. Select Add Connected Machine, the first option. You see, over here, our printer appeared, the MFC-J1365DW. Tap on it. Select Skip on the top right corner, activate later. Select Maybe Later. They're just trying to sell you their subscription service, and as you just noticed, the app crashed. Don't worry, the printer has been added. So you're going to go back and open the app. And skip, and as you see, the phone is now connected to the printer. I don't know why the app is crashing. Hopefully Brother can fix this in the future. I really doubt. Anyway, click Exit Setup. It will bring you to the Brother website, which simply have to go back in the app. And if there is an update available for your printer, well, it will tell you right over here that you can install it by pressing OK. I don't want this, so I'll press cancel. So if you want to input a document on the scanner glass right over here, because you just want to scan one page, let me just take the same document that I printed over here. You're going to place the document facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side. And then you're going to align, and this is very important, the top left corner of the page with the top left corner of the scanner. So bring them until both corners are touching. And then you'll be able to close the scan lid. So this is for this scanner. Let me show you how to input paper in the top scanner. This is an automatic document feeder, which means that if you have multiple pages, let me just take 3 sheets of paper over here. If you have multiple pages and you want to scan them at the same time, well, you can do this. Take your pages, align them, and you're going to notice over here, let me simply put the camera at a better angle. You're going to have these guides that are moving. Make sure that you put them on the extremity if you're going to scan some US letter size. You're going to take your stack of paper, you're going to place it facing down with the top part of the document towards the left side, and you're going to glide it. make sure to extend this small flap so that the paper doesn't come flying over all your desk when it's done scanning. So the paper is installed. You're going to take the app and you're going to press scan. Select if you want to scan in black and white or color. Select your document size and also the resolution of the scan. If you're scanning simply text, 200 dpi is enough. Press the scan button and the process will begin. Simply wait. The printer detects automatically where you have input the paper, over here or on the other scanner. You don't have to select this manually. Okay, it has finished scanning, and if we take a look at my iPhone, we can see all the pages. You can delete them by pressing the X button, or you can remove them and add even more pages to this document if you have more. It's not saved yet. I'm gonna press done. From here, you can select this button if you want to edit the scan, so you can change, crop, do whatever you want to do. If you click the cogwheel on the lower right side, you'll be able to change the name of the file. Currently it's this, but maybe you want to say homework, or I don't know, special project 6, I don't know. Select if it's a PDF or a JPEG. And once you're ready to save the file on your phone or share it with your contacts, press the Share Save button. You're gonna be able to share it with your contacts, with apps that you have downloaded on your iPhone. You can print over here whatever you have scanned, or if you click Save to Files, you'll be able to save this directly on the memory of your iPhone. So this is about it. I really hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, drop a comment down below. Check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink for this printer, some paper, or even a brand new printer. My Amazon links are over here, and every time you purchase through them, I get a very small commission from Amazon. It helps my channel. Thanks for your support, and I will see you in the next video.